Hello friends, now we'll study cost centers. What is cost center? A cost center is any unit of an organization to which transactions can be allocated. It is an unit of an organization to which transactions can be allocated. Transaction like revenue items. When only costs or expenses are allocated to these units, they are referred to as cost units. Okay. Cost or expenses are allocated to these units, they are referred to as cost centers. Next, how to create a single cost center? Go to Gateway of Tally, Accounts Info, Cost Centers, then click Create. Then it displays this dialog box. Then you enter category name, then name of cost centers, alias, then under, okay, then accept yes. Clear, no? Okay. First name. Enter the name of the cost center in the field. Example Bangalore or Vijayawada. Okay. The name of cost center is Vijayawada, Bangalore, or you can give other place also. Alias. Enter an alternative name. Enter an alternative name if required. If required, give alternative name. So, for example, cost center Bangalore can be referred to as head office or by a code number. You can refer, if assume this is Vijayawada's head office, write head office, or you can mention the code number also. Next, under. Select the parent cost center under which the cost center needs to be created from the list of cost centers. If you want the cost center to be primary cost center, select primary from the list. If you want primary as a cost center, okay, under primary, then select primary. Let's see here. Okay, so how to create cost center? Go to Gateway of Tally, Accounts Info, then cost centers, then click Create. Okay. It displays this dialog box. Then category name. Okay, assume department is the category. Select and enter. Then name. Assume Bangalore. Okay. Then if it is head office, write head office. If it is a branch, write branch. Next, under primary. Okay, use for job costing, by default selected no. Okay, let it be no. Then accept yes. Clear, no? No cost center is created. Next, displaying single cost center. How to display single cost center? Go to Gateway of Tally, Accounts Info, Cost Centers, then Display. Okay. So here misprinted. Here actually it is Display under Single Cost Center. Okay. How to display? Go to Gateway of Tally, Accounts Info, Single Cost Centers, then Display. Okay. We just created all Bangalore, no? Okay. Under Department 2. So these two are the two cost centers. Next, altering single cost center. How to alter single cost center? Go to Gateway of Tally, Accounts Info, Alter under Single Cost Center. The cost center alteration screen appears. The cost center alteration screen appears. Make the necessary changes and accept to save. Okay, so here category name, then okay, if you want to replace other name, okay, example Bangalore to Hyderabad, okay, you can replace. Okay. Okay, how to alter? Go to Gateway of Tally, Accounts Info, then click Alter. Okay, which one you want to alter? Example Bangalore. Okay, instead of Bangalore you want Hyderabad. Okay, type Hyderabad. Like this, then enter. Okay, now Bangalore replaced with Hyderabad. Clear, no? Next, deleting cost centers. How to delete cost centers? You can delete cost center from the cost center alteration screen by pressing Alt plus D. Okay, first you have to go to Gateway of Tally, Accounts Info, Alter. Under single cost center, then select the cost center which you want to delete. Then press Alt plus D. See, for example, okay, so go to Gateway of Tally, Accounts Info, Cost Center. Under single cost center, click Alter. Okay, then you select which cost center you want to delete. Example, Hyderabad you want to delete. Okay, just enter, then press Alt D. Okay, it asks, do you want to delete or not? Okay, if you click yes, it get deleted. Now Hyderabad is get deleted. Clear, no? Next, multi-cost center creation. Go to Gateway of Tally, Accounts Info, Cost Centers Create. Under multiple cost center, the multi-cost center creation screen displays as follows. Okay, so this is the multi-cost center screen. So here, first one, under cost center, select a particular cost center as the parent cost center. Okay, this is the parent cost centers, all items. To create cost centers under it. If you wish to create a cost centers and under different cost centers, select all items and specify the relevant cost center. Okay, if you want all items, select all items. If you want other, you can select other cost centers under cost centers. Then name of cost centers. Enter the name of the cost centers to be created. Okay, so in this example, the name of the cost centers are marketing, sale and accounts. These three are the cost center name: marketing, sales, accounts. Next, under the parent cost center selected in the under cost center field displays automatically in the under field for cost centers created newly. So here you can select under which cost center you can select. Okay, let's take an example. Okay, go to Gateway of Tally, Accounts Info, Cost Centers, then multiple cost center create. Okay, so under cost centers, all items. Then, so category, department. Okay, which are the departments are there? Marketing department. This is the cost center name. Okay, this is the category. Here, marketing. Enter. Under all items. Then finance, all items under. Then sales, then accounts. So like this you can create any number of cost center at the same time. You can create cost center at the same time. Then accept yes. Okay. Next, displaying cost centers in multiple mode. Go to Gateway of Tally, Accounts Info, Cost Centers Display. Under multiple cost centers. Gateway of Tally, Accounts Info, Cost Centers, then multiple cost centers, then display. Okay. So it displays all the cost centers: accounts, finance, marketing, sales, etc. Clear, no? Next, multi-cost center alteration. Go to Gateway of Tally, Accounts Info, Cost Centers Alter under multiple cost centers. Okay. Then it displays this screen. Then which cost center you want to alter, just select and alter. Okay, so here Gateway of Tally, Accounts Info, Cost Centers, then under multiple cost center, click Alter. Okay, under multiple cost center, enter. Okay, so here which you want to alter. So example here, accounts. Instead of accounts, okay, you want account 1. Account 1. Then instead of finance, you want finance 1. Okay, you can change the name of the cost center. Marketing 1. Sales 1. You can change the name of cost center. You can alter it. Clear, no? Okay, thank you.